Hello, and welcome to the Producttechlab. We're excited to have you here and look forward to helping you bring your product ideas to life. We are providing the solution, Magical Cloud Solution, the invisible shield of protection, cybersecurity. Virtualize like a pro with Producttechlab. Application support. Call to backup infrastructure. AB and training facility.
Technical innovation and idea. Need more scoop on our tech-savvy services? Drop us a line at support@producttechlab.com or zip over to our website https://www.producttechlab.com. Pust. We're also big shots on YouTube. Find us at youtube.com/@Producttechlab and let's be friends. Thank you from Producttechlab, and more detail please mail us.
Hi, welcome to the Producttechlab, and this lab will be showing for your subnets, route tables, internet gateway, and all those things. Okay, few of this already shown you, right? Instance, how to add it and all other part. Okay, so already we have created the VPC. Okay, and we have created multiple subnets. There is 2 subnets. Route table also we have created about it. Okay, internet gateway is there. Okay, so if you create, so now we are trying to do the internet gateway about it. Okay, if I create internet gateway, so put the one name tag. Okay, so I give to name Producttechlab -ig. IG means internet gateway. Create internet gateway. It has been created successfully. Okay, it has been created, the state, VPC ID owner, and all those things. You can see what this. Now I can click the add and attach to VPC. You can select this VPC and attach internet gateway. So it is attached to this internet gateway. That's cool. Okay, so there is no elastic IP, so we are not able to access. Already we have to added the EC2 instances. Okay, as you see, but EC2 instances is there, and there is 2 instances we have created earlier videos. So this EC2 instances is very difficult for this. Okay, so now I'm doing one thing. This is basically I just do one thing, which is EC2. Okay, click on this, and in dashboard, okay, instances has been created. Okay, and there is no instances is showing. Is it to dashboard? Okay, this is we have created in Mumbai locations. Okay, there is 2 instances. Okay, and this is one VPC has been created. Okay, so I'm doing this is elastic IP, this is Mumbai. Okay, there's VPCs there. Okay, cool. So now I want to try this access this VPC. This is the most important. I want to try this access VPC. So if we do anything, your elastic IP. Okay, allocate elastic IP, AP South 1. Okay, now allocate. Okay, this elastic IP has been created. Okay, so now click on release associated electrics IP address. Okay, choose an instance. Okay, there is 2 instance. Okay, I just create on this private IP address automatically taken. So click on associate, so it will be associated this interfaces. So if we see this interfaces, okay, so public IP address is not showing. If we see that one, okay, so this is also blank. But if you see these things, and if we just refresh Yeah, this we can get this public IP address. Okay, so if you can access this nations, okay, if you do connect, okay, there is a multiple option. EC2 instance connect, okay, session manager is one of the options. SSH client and this is to HCL console. Okay, cool. So this is the things. Okay, now I am doing few of these things like your instance type. Okay, you can see the instance type. Okay, T2 mine or large. Okay, so lots of options is there, but it is completely on demand. Linux pricing is there. So before we create anything, we need to understand how does charge in per hour. Okay, launch template is one of the options. Okay, if you launch template, so how does that you can templates you can do it. Okay, some of the option. So now if you go to the spot request means if you request spot instance, you can do it in manually, you can configure the kernel, or you can do it as launch template, you can do it over this. Okay, so next I will be go to the your savings plans, nothing else. It is flexible and get started, you can use for this any kind of savings plans. Okay, these are the things is there. Okay, for based on your instance, this is not much important. Okay, based on your how much is what is an application to deploy based on this. Now it is AMI. AMI is basically if you have any kind of access management interface, if you do any kind of sessions or anything, so it can who can be access your system, and that can be useful for it for username perspective. Okay, now it is a volume. Okay, so it will have the two machines as you see. So there is a two volumes, 8 gigabit. It is a volume is there. Okay, so you can create over this, and if you create one more volume, so you can create and you can use for it, and it can be associated this EC2 instance. And snapshot, I told you this is if you create a snapshot. Okay, just like create a one volume, I can choose this volume. Okay, and just add tag and description if it is required. Based on this you can do it, otherwise you can use for the instance, select an instance. Okay, and excluded root volume and which volume is required, so you can select on this and create the snapshot. Okay, if you click on it, in the snapshot the volume you have to exclude it, create snapshot. Okay, exclude specific data, there is no specific data. Next you will be again you will see what volume is excluded, so not required. Okay, so just create the snapshot. Okay, it has been created. Okay, so you can use for the snapshot. If it is if you want to start snapshot, so you can click on this and you can go to the action, make a snapshot setting. Okay, manage snapshot log, or you can do it over this. Okay, and archiving you can do it. Okay, so this whatever you change in your instance, so it can be shown over this. Okay, now lifecycle manager, this is the most important. Lifecycle manager, this you can understand about your what is your instances, what is your application, all things you can see over this. The network security groups is based on instances that can be created. Okay, elastic IP is a public IP address associated with this EC2 network interface. That your instances has been multiple network interface that can be associated or network interface. You can be show this. Okay, so now this is the part. Okay, so I'll be that means the instances related. How does it take the volume and create the volume? You can create the one volume, take the snapshot. Okay, snapshot you can see there is a two snapshot. Okay, you can see over this. Okay, if you see, go to the snapshot, it's completed. Go to the action, snapshot setting, archiving you can do over it and click on it. First of all, go to the action. Okay, create a page from the snapshot. Okay, create volumes for the snapshot. Okay, you can create this snapshot, then it will be created on instances, and you can create a volume based on snapshot. You can do it. Snapshot is required if you make the application, like if you make a one application in instances. Okay, this is the instances. Okay, EC2, and if you have created one application over this. Okay, application one, this is a name, just assume, and you just store over the snapshot. Okay, and suppose it has been go to crash, and take this snapshot, you will create another application. That's what is most important. If you require this application as required for the multiple hard disks, there is one hard disk is there with GB, and if you require for that 128 GB is required, so you can extra volume you can add over this. Okay, over this. So this is the part, and this is the instance based part. Okay, earlier video you have to create the how does the instance created on VPC. So now I want to create so all those things we have to create. Okay, and next video I'll be showing you what is the marketplace, how to take the machines and all those things. So as of now, thank you so much guys. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye.